In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create projects and tasks in Asana. To get started, open your web browser and head over to Asana's login page. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one first. It's quick and easy. Just follow the prompts to sign up. If you've already signed up, simply log in using your existing credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your Asana homepage. It's time to embark on creating a new project. Look for the New Project button. You can't miss it. Clicking on it will present you with a few options. If you want to save time, you might want to use one of Asana's predefined templates. These can be a great starting point, especially if you're unsure how to structure your project. However, if you'd like to start from scratch, select Create a Blank Project. This way you have full flexibility to tailor the project to your specific needs. Next, give your project a name. Be descriptive, it'll help you and your team members understand the project's purpose at a glance. After naming your project, continue this setup process by clicking the Continue button. Asana will then prompt you to choose how you'd like to view your project. Whether you prefer a list, board, or calendar view, select the one that best suits how you like to visualize and manage tasks. With that decision made, finalize by clicking Create Project. Now that your project is set up, you can begin adding tasks. Head over to your project page and you'll see an option to add a task. Simply click Add Task and fill in the task details. Once you've added a task, you can click on Details to further customize it. Here, you can assign the task to one of your team members by selecting an assignee from your list of contacts. Adding a due date is crucial to ensure everyone is aware of deadlines. Click next to the task and select a due date that aligns with your project timeline. For additional structure, consider breaking larger tasks into subtasks. This is particularly helpful for complex tasks that require numerous steps. You can add and manage these subtasks just like regular tasks. When you need a bird's eye view of all tasks and projects, navigate over to the My Tasks section. It's a handy feature that consolidates everything you're working on in one place. Finally, take some time to explore Asana's interface and the various features it offers. Navigate within your project to the Customize section and you'll find options to add forms, set rules, and incorporate custom fields. These features allow you to tailor your project management process to match your team's workflow and enhance productivity. By following these steps, you'll not only set up projects efficiently, but also ensure that your team moves in perfect synchronization. That's it for today. Thanks for joining and happy planning in Asana.